everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, this is the Hubsan ZINO Mini Pro giveaway contest announcement. So the company RC Going, that's a store, and the link to that store is below, and you're going to find out much about RC Going because many of the links in this video for the contest are going to go to RC Going. They are giving away a Hubsan ZINO Mini Pro to one of Captain Drone's lucky viewers. So what are you going to win? Well, you're going to win this box, you're going to win this bag, you're going to win this drone, the Hubsan ZINO Mini Pro. I think this is the 64 gig model, the one that you're going to win. It does come with a really cool charging base here, plus an extra battery, so you get 2 batteries, and you get the awesome controller with display. And no, I'm not giving away mine because mine is right here, right behind it. See, I have 2 of them, yes. So if you have not seen my review of the Hubsan ZINO Mini Pro, you might want to check it out because it's a super popular video and it shows all the cool features on this drone and why it is so advanced in the year 2021. All right, so let's get on to the contest. The contest has a few rules. Rule number 1 is you must be a subscriber to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. So if you don't subscribe to this channel, you can't win. You can enter, but you can't win. It's that simple. So I would highly suggest that you become a subscriber. Rule number 2 is that you must answer 5 questions. 5 questions in the form of a comment. So you're going to go below this video, you're going to click on add a comment or whatever, or post a comment. And in that comment will be the answers to 5 questions I am about to ask. So what are the 5 questions? Well, here we go. Let me find a spot. I'll stick it over here. You'll see something fall down here with the 5 questions. Question number 1. What is your first name? My first name is Steve, so put down your first name. The reason I want to know your first name is because when you win, I want to say, congratulations, John. Question number 2. Put down the country you live in. I live in Canada, so the answer to question number 2 for me would be Canada. Please don't put Canada if you don't live in Canada. The reason I ask your country is because when you win, I'm going to announce the winner and I want to announce which country won, because a lot of times people think I only give the drones away to people in, one country. Now, questions 3, 4, and 5 are located below this video in the description box. Go check them out. Each of those questions has a question followed by a link. You read the question, and then you click on the link to find the answer. It's that simple. So for an example, just so you're not confused, a question could be, please tell me the flight time of the Hubsan ZINO Mini Pro. You click on the link and it will take you to a specifications page where the flight time is listed. There's your answer. Now please note the following. You can only enter the contest once. Yes, only 1 entry per subscriber. So if you answer all 5 questions once, and then later in the week, I change the questions, do not answer them again, because that would be 2 entries and you will be automatically disqualified. So please only enter once. And yes, as the week goes on, I will change the questions because there's a lot of people out there who unfortunately just copy other people's answers and post them as their own without doing any work. And that's not really fair. So I catch them a lot of times by just changing the questions. They post the answers to the old questions and they are immediately disqualified. Finally, one last tip to ensure success of winning this contest. Please try to use a laptop or a desktop when you click on a link, because if you use your phone, a lot of times the link is different for a cell phone than it is for a desktop or a laptop. And I will be using a desktop to create the questions. Now, the date a winner will be picked is right here. I can't say it out loud because I don't know when this video is being posted. So I don't know when the end date is. So right here is the end date. And on the date, whatever I listed here, on that date, I'm going to randomly select a winner. It's too simple. I'm going to go on to the YouTube random comment generator picker website. I'm just going to click search and pick a random comment. It's going to pick one of the answers underneath my video randomly. And then all I have to do is just check to make sure all 5 answers were answered correctly. And I just double check to make sure you are a subscriber. Now, if you hide your subscriber status from other people who view your channel, that's okay because I can still see it. I have software that lets me see if you are really a subscriber to my channel. Now, a lot of people are going to ask, is this open to the world? Well, it's open to parts of the world where I can ship the product to, because I have gone to my Canada Post system, and apparently there are certain places I cannot ship a product with batteries and everything else. Certain countries, they're very, very minor, those countries. So if you live in a country that you get your mail by donkey or something like that, you're probably one of those countries I can't ship it to. So with all of that said, I say a big thank you to RC Going for providing this. There's a brand new one in this, where is it? There's a brand new one in this box, never opened. So yeah, you'll get a brand new one. So RC Going, thank you for that. And good luck to everybody who's entering this contest. So take care and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.